A premier inclusive university of choice aspiring to improve management by developing excellent education and compassionate value formation.
The Our Lady of Fatima University, together with Fatima Medical Science Foundation Incorporated, is dedicated to the improvement of man as man through the holistic formation of individuals, imbued by knowledge, skills, and virtues.
True innovative learning strategies focus on strong and updated academic foundation with enhanced industry skill and experience. A graduate of Olfu is expected to be an achiever.
In the community and in the workplace, an OLPO graduate will be known as a person who
A is for aspiring to do his best.
C is for credible and compassionate.
H is for hardworking and honorable.
I is for an inspiration to others.
E is for efficiently, entrepreneurial, and employable.
And V is for visionary.
E is ethical and has excellent work habits.
And R is for responsible.